Plume, my goons. In this episode, I'm going to be breaking down the Plume Portal. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, let's begin. So right here, this is the homepage of the Plume Portal. You're going to see all of your stats right here. Plume Points, Plume Earnings, Spin Streak. Click on My Profile, and it's going to take you right here where you can see all of your badges, your current tier, your global rank, everything you need to know right here, one place. I have a referral link in the description below. Be sure to use that if you want to get involved. All right, so we're going to see 4 tabs right here: bridge, swap, stake, and level up. First thing we're going to look at here is bridging. In order to interact with the Plume mainnet, you need to get yourself some Plume tokens. You're going to have to bridge some tokens over. You can do this right here in the Plume Portal, but you may experience very high price impact like this right here. If you do, I recommend jumping right on to Relay. So this is Relay right here. I'll have a link to this in the description below. You can see right here that I'm bridging from base. I'm bridging some ETH for some Plume tokens. I'm going to go ahead and do that right here, right now, just so you can see how easy it is. So I'm bridging over 0.002 ETH. Going to go ahead and confirm that, and I'm going to get 39.37 Plume. Very simple, very easy. Once you have bridged over and you have Plume tokens on mainnet, you can start swapping. So we're going to do a swap. You can access swapping right here on the side menu. I'm going to swap some of my Plume for PUSD. So let's swap right now. So easy to do everything right here in the portal. My swap just went through and it is all done. So I now have PUSD. All right, the next thing we're going to be looking at is level up. Level up is where you are going to complete your quests. You're going to see all your quests here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the Plume staking quest. So I'm going to go ahead and stake. I'm going to delegate to PNP Max. Once I have staked this, my quest is going to be completed and I will have earned points. Stake successful. I now have the blue check mark and everything is complete. All right, the last thing we're going to look at today is the daily spin that is on the very bottom of the menu. You can enter a raffle every day by doing your daily spin. Costs 2 Plume, so keep that in mind. 2 Plume plus gas, but you're going to get yourself raffle tickets and you can enter the raffle to win big prizes. You can win a car, you can win a drone, Nintendo Switch. This is the Plume Portal, everybody. Enjoy getting involved with the mainnet. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time, my goons.